Hey, it is Julie, your nanopreneur, and today I'm going to give you a little tutorial, nothing really in depth, but this is about Canva and how to make your YouTube thumbnails in here. So basically, let me go home first. Basically, you would create your account, right? And you can do so several different ways, by email, by Facebook. Anyway, you can do that on your own. Just go to canva.com. So here I'm going to do YouTube thumbnail. That's what I'm trying to accomplish right now. Now there are all different kinds of designs that you can make, from Instagram posts, Facebook covers. I mean, you name it. You can find it in here. You just have to search what you're trying to do, okay? So I'm going to do the YouTube thumbnail, and my video has uploaded. Now I have the free version. You may want to upgrade and get the paid version, depending on what you're trying to accomplish. Of course, I have a lot of templates already built that I can go in and edit. And before, they had their free version offered a lot more. Okay, so you'll see here that they have little templates that you can pick from along the way. So, you know, maybe we could use something like this. And then over here, let's see, my screen's not showing. Let's see if I can expand it. Let me drag it. Nope, it's not working. There we go. So from here, I can edit anything I want. I don't know why my screen is not showing us full. So you can add your own photos from your computer, right, if you want to. You have everything here available to you that you can add in. Boy, I got Lee in here like 3 times. Goodness gracious. So you can go in there, and for your text, you don't have to use this font. And you're going to go up here in this area to change the style of the font that you would like to use. There's so many of them. Jeez. I usually go with this one myself, but I don't want it that big. So here you see it's at 126. So I'm going to drop that down to say 72. Okay, and then I'm just going to go in here and edit. And my title for my YouTube video is Online Business Owners. Watch before quitting your job. Okay, so you want this to be the exact same thing as your title, okay? And when you save it, you want to save this title as the thumbnail, as the file also, before you upload it to your YouTube video. Okay, and here you can actually change the color of the text. So say I wanted to see what this looked like, which is kind of cool. This one's good. You want it to stand out. I like that one. But on black, it's going to really, you know, it's going to stand out regardless. It's just what your preference is, okay? So look, we're going to go with that. Now, this one may be a little tricky over here. Let me see. All right, I'm going to get a photo of me. Let's see if we can pick this one. I don't know how well this one's going to work with that split screen thing they got going on. And usually I like to put a picture of myself on my thumbnail. I think that helps with your branding. And people will see you every time you upload a video. They're going to see a picture of you, which I think helps. So yeah, I don't know, this is not like this arm coming up. I mean, I could leave it as this, right? It would still work. And then maybe what I could do is I have a little logo, and maybe just add my logo instead of my picture on this one. You have to play around with it. I mean, and then you can also go, if you're looking to add graphics, you can come in here and search icons. Like maybe I could add a little wow smiley face down here, right? That would make it stand out a little bit more. But there's a lot of things you can do with this. So let's just go down to the three little dots here. You can also connect your pictures from your Facebook, your Instagram. You are able to search free pictures from Pixabay to add them here, and if you have Dropbox, you can also tie them into what you're trying to accomplish for any type of post, any type of YouTube thumbnail. So there's different ones that you can definitely look for. I mean, I could go to my Facebook profile and just upload some pictures and use that here for my YouTube thumbnail, right? So let's see what this looks like. I don't know if I like this, but so then you're going to save it and hit download. Oops, did I forget owners? Come on. There we go. So we've got that saved. Yep, I did. I forgot owners. I need that in there. So I'm going to have to make this a bit smaller. Let's see. It's not doing it the way I want it. Let's see. Okay, so now it's all the same, and that should work. It looks decent. I don't have a picture of me, and I don't think I can get one in there. But you know what? I'm going to use it anyway. But I think the best practice is to put a picture of yourself on there to brand yourself. But at least I have my name there, my logo on there for right now. Okay, so that's all you need to know about Canva. You just really have to come in and play around with it. And you can create a lot of different things with this. And using this for your Facebook post to write a picture of you, to get wording on there, you know, be creative with it. It's fun. It's fun to work with, and I hope this helps you a little bit with this tutorial. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell. That way you will be notified, not me. You will be notified when I upload new content to YouTube. So this is a good little short tutorial about Canva, how to use it for your thumbnails, and there's so much more you can use it for. So get in there and start creating. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.